talk about 7 freelance platforms where I have found plus land clients, because back in 2020 when I have nothing to know what I do, I was a baby freelancer slash agency owner. I was figuring it out, but now I think with 5 years I've evolved so much with my client acquisition, with my landing clients, all of that stuff. So without wasting time, let's start. Number one are the WhatsApp groups. These are my favorite, my current students' favorite. I know so many people who get regular basis clients on that. So when I mean WhatsApp groups, I mean the private groups which a creator or a founder or an entrepreneur have, where they have like a private kind of communities. So there are a lot of groups which there are freelancing people hanging out, founders hanging out. So even if I have some client which I don't want to take, I can refer to that person. So there are a lot of groups. So I think you should try and figure out that what creators you love, and so I will mention all the details of all the groups and platforms I'm talking about in the description once I reach the 100 comments in the video. So go and comment. Either you ask me a query or just give a thumbs up, do whatever, but just comment on the video. I'll add the exact list of all the groups of all the stuff I'm not talking about in this video in the description. So yeah, next is the GoDaddy website. So for me, I think after 1 year only I have built a website and I've seen it so professional. I really hate when people are like, oh, website, why is that important? Uski kya zarurat hai? But I feel that website is very important. It shows that you're doing something legit. Even when you have like 2-3 clients, it shows how much professional you are. So I think from not day one, but yeah, when I've done decent freelancing and when I launched my agency, I have my website. I mean, I don't want to be someone ki, yeah, we work with the best personal branding founders of the country or international, making like lakhs, but you don't have a website, bro. I mean, anyway. So I think it is an investment, but I do feel it's an important investment and you should all do it. You can show your case studies, you can show so much, and organic also, so much traffic comes on your website, you can put it on all of your social media platforms. So I think, yeah. Third is YouTube. It's been just a few journey, like a small journey on YouTube. I have like 1K subscribers or what, but I've seen so many people have reached out to me on LinkedIn and said that they have seen my videos on YouTube or they found me via YouTube. So I found it very intriguing that, wow, I mean, I just make videos here, I just share what I do, and I don't think too much of the client acquisition when it comes to YouTube because I'm very new here. But it's good to know that it's a great acquisition platform because you're visible. You are telling your stories, you are sharing resources, so people quite trust you. And I feel YouTube is the most trusted platform because it has like a long videos format thing, and I'm currently making long videos, and with an intent people find someone. So if they search best freelancer or best how to find clients, and if they pop up for an example Ishan video, and on reference they get my video, obviously they have come through a search intent on my video. Out of the blue I won't pop up in their feed. So it's very intent related, and I seriously, that's why I just love YouTube. And YouTube, please love me back, please make me viral here. Sorry guys, sorry. It's just I have 100K on LinkedIn and 11K on Instagram. I've kind of figured out the algos of both the platforms. I really want to get viral on YouTube, so I am manifesting it. Next coming is the LinkedIn, my most favorite platform, because I have been on LinkedIn for like ages. I think I have spent my whole 20s on LinkedIn, because when I entered, I think in Infosys, I started on LinkedIn. I don't know how I started posting on LinkedIn. I got virality. I started learn so much stuff. My LinkedIn, I just don't know, but I have current also like 80% of my business comes from LinkedIn, I always say. So LinkedIn is like, I have a whole playlist, guys. Just see the number of videos I've already made for LinkedIn, so you can understand my love for LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the best. If you are finding clients, you have this jobs wala, search jobs wala thing, so you can just reach out to companies, you can directly reach out to founders, people, and people don't mind there. All are so much professional. They do know that people gonna pitch them, so nobody minds if you pitch them. That's the best part of LinkedIn. Then you can post content, because abhi content creation is just started on LinkedIn, so it's not at all saturated. So I think LinkedIn is the best, and you should use it. Next is Instagram. To be honest, it's not my so much favorite platform, क्योंकि First of all, virality is so cheap there. Matlab, you can get viral on anything. Just post a b-roll and you will get viral. Just post something which is absurd, you will get viral. But if you post something with super value, you won't get viral. Then getting clients and stuff is also all like shiny, because you are showing this shiny image and attracting people. So I just personally don't like Insta that much. Please don't hate me if you are a influencer on Instagram. Please don't hate me. I'm also trying to grow there as a content creator, but I don't like it as a platform. But I've seen there are few things that you can get coaching students, you can really get people for Instagram management, and you can get people who want like videos and pictures. So I think very shiny niches like interior designing, so jewelry, clothing, so all these things, you know, I think it will really perform well. So if you want to target those people on Instagram, kudos. Next is a very underrated, I don't think if you guys have tried, it's Feed Coyote. So I have started trying it from some months back. I just tried it, I made a profile, I just engage with people there, and you can also apply for, I think, projects and all. It's an app, I use it in my phone, and someone literally DM me and then we connected on WhatsApp. I was not able to convert that client because it was international and it was very low on budget, and I don't know matlab what went wrong, but I do find lead from there, and I've heard from a lot of creators like in our freelance platforms, like it's very good. I don't know if they're doing promotions or what, but I've myself used it and I don't invest so much time in it, but I do think it has a good possibility. So you should try that. And the last is, you guys vote me, is Bumble. Now you will say, Kriti, what are you doing on Bumble? You're married. Okay, I have used it like previously, so I'm telling you that it is very good. I don't use anymore, although it's a great platform. I love to use again because you have this friends and connections thing also there, where you can connect with friends or people just you wanna, you know, chat. So I have connected few people there, and I have literally find so many people of my industry there, and yeah, like they're quite awesome. They're doing copywriting, they're doing social media marketing, they are like writing films and whatnot. So I've connected with them on LinkedIn also, and from them I've got some referrals for work. So I do feel Bumble is a great platform, and if you are just, you know, like if you're just this blocked in mind that nothing is working for you, I think you should try these things like Bumble, like Feed Coyote. There is also one coffee chats kind of app name, I don't remember. So there also you can meet with people on a coffee, virtual coffee. So I've met few people there. So I think these all things really work. You should just need to get out of your comfort zone and start trying something other than what the basic which we all know. Anyway, that's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe the channel and comment on my video, guys. Tabhi I will share all the resources of all the communities, of the WhatsApp groups, of Discord communities, everything which I find clients in the description once you comment on the video. Okay, chalo, bye.